guys! Right, so I just got a Meow by Afmal. I bought it in the store and I'm so excited to open it. Okay, I'm going to take this off, I don't know why, but I accidentally already took the thing that was around it off, so yeah. Okay, I'm going to open it and see which one I got. By the way, I want these two and all these four. I don't know why I don't want these two, although they are actually really cute, so I kind of want those as well. I can't wait to see what I get. Eek! Okay. What did I get? Okay, it's orange. I got the cinnamon roll one. Aww. I love it. Okay, so what else is in this box? Nothing. Oh, there's something. Oh, there. Okay. Let's see. There are 8 to collect. They're so cute. Okay, I got the cinnamon roll cat. Okay. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is gold, so I think this is gold, so I think Ian would like that one. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!